the reason bakit ako nag-volunteer kasi gusto kong makatulong to make a difference in a positive perspective.
This is first time for the majority of us, right? And I think this is hitting two birds at the same time because I encourage the team to do something outside the work, right? So I think this is a very good bonding for us.
I've never done anything like this. I wish I did way before. So nung nagka-opportunity sa office, I said yes.
Iba yung feeling na maglilinis ka lang, tutulong ka sa kapwa mo.
It would make the habitat of the animals cleaner. Maglinis lang and throw your trash in the proper place.
Since bago pa lang po ako sa ES Print, so parang ang way ko para mas makilala ko yung mga co-work ko is yun, isa ito sa organization na makakatulong para makilala ko sila.
Ma-help din yung nature natin kasi since madami na tayo na experience na disasters.
I'm very excited po to be part of this cleanup drive.
Gusto ko pong makita ng maraming guests na malinis yung tabing dagat para mas lalo silang maengganyo na pumunta sa beach resort. Masarap po sa pakiramdam, sa matanting na malinis po yung karagatan.
Live a better print